And with the cheese, I only shredded about half of the block. So you're only gonna need a half a block, and then I added my mozzarella cheese to the bowl too. And now I'm adding 4 cups of chicken broth to this pot. And I waited until my chicken broth started boiling to add the grits so that they got to the consistency I needed. It doesn't have to be chicken broth. You can use water, you can use milk, whatever your preference is. And then I added 1 cup of heavy cream so it can get to that creamy consistency that we need. Look at how amazing these grits look. This consistency, that cheese coat, is exactly what I was looking for. I went ahead and started on the cream sauce. I added heavy cream, chicken broth, and then I seasoned to my liking. I'm going to put the seasonings and the measurements in the description. Okay guys, that's the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next Sunday. Bye.